Hi, what's up? Where are you from?
Uh,
Where are you from?
I'm not from Thailand.
Are you from
I'm not from Thailand.
Thailand? Oh, okay. Just I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh? Bangladesh.
This yes, I know Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. Especially, are you from your capital city, Bangkok? Your capital city, Bangkok. Are you from?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Right.
Thank you. Thank you. Are you a student or do you study? Student, reading, writing, reading, writing.
No, I'm not student,
What do you do?
but I'm learning.
What do you do?
There is restaurant.
Oh, many means are you worker? Worker, worker,
Yes, I'm worker. I'm working in restaurant.
restaurant. Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Basically, what kind of food do you cook to like? What kind of food?
Yes. Yes. I like to cook.
Actually, can you cook any kind of food? Can you cook any kind of food? Really?
Yes, right.
Oh.
Yes.
Actually, what is your main staple food? Main food, rice and fish. Thailand,
There is rice.
rice. Also me. Bangladesh,
Yes.
we are to Bangladeshi and we like to eat fish and rice. Our main staple food. Fish and rice. Means rice and fish. Yeah. Can you speak English fluent? Or little bit English speaking style? IELTS course, IELTS speaking. Have you finished? To go abroad?
High school? No, I'm not finished. No.
Okay. Actually, what is your future plan of life at present? Your future plan of life.
What's your name?
This is Zakaria Hussain. Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain.
Zakaria Kosai.
Hussain.
Zakaria Kosai.
And what is your name?
Zakaria.
Your name, please.
I'm Lera. Yes, I'm Lera.
How many siblings means brothers and sisters do you have?
That is, I have one sister.
Have you recently visited any countries all over the world? Have you visited any countries all over the world?
Yes, I visit other country
You
in the
didn't.
world.
Oh no one country visited. Oh, okay. Also me, I didn't visit any country, but
Yes,
I like to visit your country, Thailand, because Thailand is the nearest country. Means maybe neighboring country, Thailand. Your country, neighboring country.
yes,
Okay, neighboring country. Actually,
yes.
if I get a chance, I will visit your country, Thailand. Actually, I like the sea beach of Thailand. Thailand sea beach I like most. Actually, very much.
I like most. Actually,
Within 24 hours, how do you pass your every single day? Free time. All the time, are you serious busy? On restaurant?
yes, I'm so busy.
By working there, you feel so much tired. Actually, there is no rest on restaurant. I think that. Really? There is no rest. And you have get a little bit rest time, you little bit.